Hey everyone, if you're watching this right now, you're watching the replay since no one is on yet. So feel free to hashtag replay in the comments below so that I know you watched this. I'm really excited. I just got my FabFitFun box in the mail and I'm super excited to open this one. If you haven't tried FabFitFun yet, you definitely should. There's a link above in the comments to get $10 off your first box, which makes them, I think, $40. So yeah, so I'm just gonna wait a couple minutes. If you hop on, let me know where you're watching from. I have gotten so many new friends lately and I'd love to know where everyone is from. I'm just gonna share this video really quickly while we wait for a couple of you guys to hop on. So yeah, let me know where you're watching from. I always love to see where everyone is from. All right, hey everyone. Let me know when you, oh hey girl, hey. Let's see. What is happening? Oh no, is my video not? Oh, my video wasn't public. Sorry, y'all. Right, but now it is. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna open this FabFitFun box and see what's in it. Has anybody done these before? I did it like 2 years ago, and I did it for like a whole year. So these only get sent every quarter or every season or whatever. So this is the fall one, and I'm obsessed with fall, and I saw what was in it, so I was like, I need to just get this. So now I think I can share this. Sorry. Okay. Oh my god, Kayla, I subscribe to everything. I'm like obsessed with subscription boxes. So I get $50 off HelloFresh. If you've never tried HelloFresh, try that. I've done that too. Again, another another box that I've subscribed to. That's like really good though. So a cool little magazine with Christina Applegate on it, and I think so it like gives some information about the stuff that you get in your box, which is kind of cool. Oh, $10 off your first box. $3 off a box of Luna bars. That's kind of cool. All right, so let's see what's inside. Oh, a Luna bar, salted caramel nuts. Has anybody tried Luna bars before? I have not. These say they're like organic, gluten-free, and these are brand new. So start with caramel. That sounds like it's gonna be really good. Oh, Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating. Hey Heather. Deep Cleanse Mask. So you put it on your face and it micro bubbles on your, it foams on your face. That's kind of cool. I'm excited, and they sent 2. I'm excited to try that out. So anyway, I think this box is like $50, and you get like full size things. So if you haven't tried it yet, sign up in the link in my thing, and you'll get $10 off, and it'll be $40. I don't know if they're still shipping fall ones. I think they're gonna start shipping or start doing the winter ones or whatever. All right, next thing, I have Grown Alchemist Polishing Facial Exfoliant in pink grapefruit. Oh, did you? Did you like what you got? facial exfoliant. I'm gonna, oh, it's like, I wanna smell it. Let me smell you. Let's see. It definitely smells like grapefruit. I was about to go like this and have you guys smell it, but then I realized that smells good. That'll be cool to try. All right, let's see what else I got. Ooh, this will come in handy. So I got Bluetooth headphones. These are kind of cool. So it has like all the little like options to touch them and stuff. So these will be fun. I'm gonna open them. I literally am like a kid on Christmas. Ah. So has anybody gotten these before? What did you think? I feel like sometimes they're like a hit or miss for me, but you know what suckers me in every time is Facebook. I see those dang Facebook ads. Oh, I can't. Yeah, hide those things away, Jessica. I saw what Sunny did to the toys. That's so funny. Yeah, Nicole. I know, I'm like a sucker for all things fall. And I saw, so they do like those dang like sponsored posts for FabFitFun, and it suckered me in. So these are really cute. They're white and like pink. Super, super cute. And look, I guess you just charge it with like a USB. That's pretty awesome. Yeah. All right, moving on. Let's see, what is this? Skin & Co. Blue and Capri Shower Gel. So let's smell this. Mine was already like open. Oh man. Got it open. That smells like very, very like clean and like woodsy. Not too bad. All right, let's see. Do It All Total Eye Cream from Pharmacy. I have never used eye cream before. It'll help minimize the signs of aging, stress, and fatigue. Reduces the appearance of dark circles and visibly improves the brightness of the under eye area. So maybe I'll actually use this. Alright, what else? Oh, this is cute. So they are like kitchen towels. And I absolutely love these colors because this is what my house is. White, gray. I have like kind of like a farmhousey type house. As you can see the shiplap in the background there. So these are really cute. I would definitely use these. Oh, I love a beauty blender. How cute. I actually do use the beauty blender. So that saves me from having to buy a new one. Let's see, ceramic and stainless steel teapot. Yay, I love shiplap. I have it all over my house. I'm obsessed. Joanna Gaines is my spirit animal. Let's see what this cute little thing looks like. Oh. Aw, look at this cute little teapot. This thing is so adorable. I'm kind of obsessed with drinking tea. And I just have like a plain little white teapot. Oh, it even comes with like a little like diffuser canister thing. So cute. Can you see it? Like, I know my light. There it goes. It's like blue with the cute little flowers on it. So cute. Alright, I think this is the last thing. I was saving it for last because I was super stoked about this. Super. Alright, this is a Vince Camuto bag. Guys, I kind of may have just ordered this box. Sorry, my mom was trying to call me. Look at this amazing bag. Oh, it smells so good. I'm a sucker for leather. Look at this. Oh, it's got a cute little pocket in here too. This is like amazing for the fall. Just throw like a wallet and your sunglasses in here and you're good to go. I like that it's flat and not too big. So amazing. Alright, so here's the fun part, is seeing how much all this stuff costs and how much I paid. So this should tell me like the breakdown. Alright, so the Beauty Blender, $20 alone. These little masks, $18. So right there, $38. The towels, $15. So 38 and 15 is more than I paid for, or almost what I paid for this box. Just in those three things right there. The shower gel, $22. The Vince Camuto bag. The Vince Camuto bag is $128. So much for you to watch. Oh my gosh, we should do them. We're going to practice one night. So the Vince Camuto bag is $128. Like right there, it just absolutely makes the box. The teapot, the cute little Alfred teapot, is $28. The headphones, $40. Holy smokes, this face mask thing that I got, where did it go? I lost it. Oh man, I lost the face mask stuff. Oh, duh, it's still in the box. This is $67. $67 for this little, for this. $67. That better be an amazing face mask, that's all I'm saying. But $67, this alone, again, just makes the box. And that's it. So, I mean, $128 for the bag alone. 15, 20, 22, 18, 26, 40, and 67. Done. Like, I don't even know why I ever stopped getting this box. That's amazing. So, like I said, there's a $10 off code in the description of this video. So if you want to try your own FabFitFun box, you'll get $10 off your first one. And I don't know if they're shipping fall anymore. If they are, you would get something similar to this. If they're not, winter is coming. Winter is coming. So you can always get in on the winter box, which is always super fun, because I think the last time I did it for winter, I got like a cute scarf, like one of those like blanket scarves, the plaid. Super, super cute. So yeah, I'm so excited. I can't wait. I really can't wait to use this bag. This $128 bag that came in my $50 box. Kind of crazy. So again, $10 off if you want to try it. I love it. I can't wait for my next one. When I get it, I'll be going live and showing you guys again. So have a good day, everyone. I'll talk to you next time.